I want to show you how to create irresistible offers for your product and business with these few tips. Now, these tips are very strategic. It's something I've used over time to create amazing offers, irresistible offers over time that have generated a lot of sales for me. And I've seen my students also replicate it for themselves. But in this video, I'm going to share these few tips with you that I know that will really help you to generate or to create irresistible offers. And of course, if you sell products and services over the internet, you basically know that offers are very key. These are like the key part of your sales process. No matter how good your marketing is, if you don't have a good offer that literally appeals to your customer and your prospect, you will definitely have poor sales, right? So the better the offer, the more irresistible it becomes. The more irresistible it becomes, the more sales you are going to make over time. So what you want to achieve as a digital marketer, as a product owner, as a business, is to create offers that are irresistible. I'm going to just share with you a powerful tip that will help you achieve that without hassle. Now, if you want to create an offer, first of all, what you need to know is that between a product and an offer, the one that sell out faster is an offer. That means that if I'm just selling a book, I wish I had the device here. If I'm just selling a phone, which is a product, someone that sells a phone, a charger, and other things together, stack stuff up, will probably sell out more than I do. Now, the principle of offers is that you want to create an experience of wholeness when you are selling a product. Now, let's do a very typical example. This tip is exactly what you need to create your next powerful offer that would be irresistible. Now, when you have a product, let's use a phone, for example. I'm going to get a phone. Now, this is a phone, right? And if I was going to sell this phone, and let's say the price of this phone is $750, for example. I don't even know what's the price of this phone again. I don't know. But let's just say it's $750 or maybe $1,000. When I sell this phone, when I want to sell this phone and I say, hey guys, buy this phone for $1,000. And there is some other guy who is somewhere saying, buy this phone, get a charger, get an iPhone earpiece, an iPhone AirPod, get 2 years warranty, get free repair for the next 10 years, or whatever it is, get XYZ stuff for $1,500. And this guy is saying, buy just an iPhone and pay for shipping. And this one will be like plus free shipping. Now, the idea is not even about the price point. The idea is to sell something that when a prospect or customer sees, they'll feel like, okay, even if I buy this product, I'm going to have the full experience of what I want, and I will not have problem using this product. Now, let's talk about this in the context of digital product sellers. You sell a course, and the biggest problem people will have is when I buy the course, I have a question to ask. Who do I ask? How do I connect with the community? I want to see people also learning this thing with me. I want to connect with them. So what becomes a suitation, a proper complement to the product you are selling that to increase the perceived value? Because offers, remember now, offers increase the perceived value of your product. Let me say that again. Offers increase the perceived value of your product. And just before I tell you that part of the digital product, so imagine someone is saying, buy this plus free shipping, or just buy this and pay for shipping. What does that tell you? Because I'm going to pay for two different things differently, I'll feel like I'm buying a product and then I'm paying for my shipping and all of those stuff. So it's like I'm paying for two different things, and it doesn't make the offer, it doesn't make the perceived offer high. So if I want them to perceive this offer higher than it is, or increase the value of the product, I'm going to add free shipping. And even if I increase the price to add the cost of shipping, it ideally will increase the perceived value. So what you want to do now is, when you have a product, you want to look out for things that will be a challenge or a problem that your prospect or customer will face while trying to use that product, and then provide a solution around it and sell it together with it. Let's talk about it on the digital aspect. Like I said, you have a course. The first problem is people want a community, so you provide free community. People want mentorship, you provide 1 week or monthly live Zoom call mentorship section. People will want to have Q&As. You provide a WhatsApp group or Telegram channel where they can ask questions in the community. People need someone to mentor them closely, so you can have sub mentors in your community. People want worksheet books. How do I get started? You can then have a challenge, a program, a worksheet, a workbook they can use to go through the program. Someone who wants to buy a Facebook ad course want to know how to write their Facebook ad copy. We want to know how to create their Facebook creative. So you can be like a mini program on how to create your Facebook creative with Canva, a mini program to write your ad copy using AI. All of this become a holistic experience. So when I'm buying a Facebook ad course from you, I know that my ad copy is solved, my ad creative is solved, and my pool of targeting, I can even tell you 50 targeting systems you can use for different product handbook inside of it. So when I see all of this, I know I'm not just coming to buy a Facebook ad course. I have literally everything that I will need to produce a high converting Facebook ad for my business or for my course, for my program. That's the idea. So that's why you see people stacking up things when they are selling their product. So in marketing, we call it offer stack. So you have your product, plus when you get this product, you get this bonus, which is worth $10,000, which is worth $50,000, which is worth $10,000, and you stack everything up. Now, this is the interesting part in creating irresistible offers. When you've discovered all of the things that will be a challenge for your prospect when they want to buy your product, and you have provided a solution for it, even if it's not all, but as much as you can, then you show them the value of each of these items. For example, like the Facebook ad course I used earlier on, you have a Facebook ad course that shows you how to use Facebook to run advertisements. Then I create a Facebook ad copy program using AI, which I could peg for a price of $50 depending on the value it is. Then I create a video sub program. Even if I'm not the one that created, I can invite a Canva expert to show them how to create ad creative using Canva. And let's say the price is $40. And I have another program that shows how to get keywords and targeting details for different kinds of audience. That's another program of $50. So on my sales page, what I do is offer stacking. Offer stacking. So I can say the product Facebook ad course is $100. The Facebook ad creative creation is $20. Ad copy creation for your Facebook ads is $20. Targeting details is $20. Overall, 100 plus 50 plus 20 plus 20 is going to give you $190. But today, they're going to get it for $100. What you just did is that you have increased the perceived value of your product, created an irresistible offer that people will buy over and over and over again. Without any further ado, I'm very, very sure you enjoyed this video. And of course, in my subsequent videos, I'll lay more emphasis on how to make money for yourself selling your product on the internet. Feel free to share this video with people around you, your students, your community. They're going to learn so much from it. And don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. See you in my next video.